Hey, what's up, everybody? It's time for another 100 Mondays, and as you can see, I have another piece that I'm working on. I'm going to be working big, so I'm going to be doing some monochrome pieces big. That is my reference picture, although the color scheme is not going to look like the photo, but you already know that, and no, it won't be blue, so I guess we'll see how that turns out, and see y'all next time. Time for another 100 Mondays. As you can see, I've continued working on the mural. We're getting a little closer to being finished with the graphite and pencil, and finally be able to put paint on it. I mean, it's a lot of detail, a lot of, like, mountains of New Zealand and that kind of thing. But yeah, I got like a lot of the housing and everything down. I'm about to get to the gate. It's gonna be awesome when the paint gets added. And there's gonna be a lot of detail and stuff to go in with the paint. So yeah, that's how it's going. See you guys next time. Hey, what's up, everybody? It's time for another 100 Mondays. As you can see, I'm busy as a bee. I've also got this commission that I'm still working on, which I did the night sky. I'm not done with it yet. There's, like I said, plenty more detail to get to. So I'll see you guys next time.